guys, it's Sparkle Spice, and today we have this super fun Bubble Guppy stacking cups. You can stack them on top of each other, or you could even put them inside. How fun is that? These things are so cool. Let's get them out of there. Here's Mr. Grouper. He's orange. Wow, look at his eyes twist and turn. He's so cool. Let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness, it's Gil! Gil looks so neat. He's green on the bottom and blue on top. What else is in there? That's Molly. Molly's pink on top and blue on bottom. She's so cute. You can twist and turn her. It still sounds like more inside. Oh my goodness, who is this? It's the Bubble Puppy. He's super cute. He's white with some brown spots and a green collar with a little red tongue hanging out. So adorable. Let's put them back together and maybe we'll be able to get some surprises. Here's Mr. Grouper in orange. Next up is Gil. He's blue and green. Then we have Molly. She's pink and blue. And finally, it's Bubble Puppy. Let me see this Bubble Puppy again. Anything inside? Let's see. Oh my goodness, there is a surprise. Look at that. Charm you. 2 surprise charms inside. I've got to see it. What is all this? Oh, I think there's one more inside. We've got 2 stickers of the apple and the ring. Let's see their charms. Here's the little apple. He's so cute and green. And the other one is a beautiful diamond ring. It's almost see-through. So pretty. All right, let's put Bubble Puppy back together, and then we're gonna put him inside of Molly. Let's shake it up and see what happens. Let's see if there's something inside. Whoa, who is this? It's Gil dressed as a firefighter. I think, oh yeah, this is a bath squirter. I've got some water right here. Let's see how Gil squirts. I'll squeeze him so we can suck in all the water. Now let's give it a try. Whoa, he's ready to put out a fire. Okay, let's put Molly back together and we'll put her inside of Gil. There you go, Molly. Let's give it a shake. Let's open up. Oh, look at this. This time we have a Molly squirter. I think she looks like she's ready for the beach. All right, I'll bring the water back and we'll see how Molly works. I'll give her a squeeze to get all the air out. Okay, I think it will come out of her lotion bottle. Oh yeah, there it is. It looks like she's squirting lotion. Now Molly and Gil can have a squirting fight. Oh, gotcha, gotcha. Oh, ow, watch out, my eyes. Oh no. Now we can put Gil back together and he'll go inside of Mr. Grouper. All tight together. Okay, let's take a look inside. Hey, what's this? I can't really tell. Oh, look at that. It's a little Bubble Puppy squirter. We've got to try him out too. All right, let's bring the water back in and watch our Bubble Puppy squirt. Let's get all the air out. Okay, puppy, ready to squirt? That's really cute. It almost looks like he's spitting. Wow, everybody's squirting. What are we gonna do? It's making a mess everywhere, guys. Ah! Let's try this again and see if we could get some more surprises. I've got our Bubble Puppy here. Do you see something? I see a surprise. It's a My Little Pony Squishy Pop. Let's open it up. Oh boy, can't wait to see what we have in here. Super excited. Oh wow, look at these charms. Not only did I get a yellow bead here that's super pretty, I also got one that says Apple Bloom. How cute is that? And it says Squishy Pop on the back. Those are fun charms. Okay, let's put Bubble Puppy back together and get him inside of Molly. In you go. Let's give her a shake. Is there a surprise inside? There sure is. What do we have? It's a Shopkins Food Fair canister. It includes 2 Shopkins. All right, time to get it open. Let's see, I'll pop off the lid. And take a look inside. Here's what we have. Oh boy, it's so sparkly. Blue and white and pink with a little bit of yellow on top. This is licorice. Very cute. But we've got another one to look at. Ooh, who is it? Green and orange and purple? It's Patty Cake. So yummy. Okay, time to put Molly inside of Gil. What's our surprise this time? What's this? My Little Pony, my emoji? Alright. Look who it is. It's Twilight Sparkle. There's her cutie mark and her pink streak in her hair. She is so cool. Now we'll put Gil together and he's got to go into Mr. Grouper. Are you ready? Oh boy, look at that. Hey, 2 surprises. How fun. Okay, let's check out this first one. Secret Life of Pets Mini Pet. All right. Here we go. Here's our guide of our figures. And here's who we got. It's our cat, Chloe. She is purple with really cute stripes on her. Meow. Okay, what's our other surprise? Oh, excellent. It's a figural keyring from Disney. Let's see. Couple of princesses and Minnie, Stitch, and Dory, and some surprise mystery characters. All right. Who is it? It's a Disney princess, Queen Elsa. So pretty. Look at her hair and her braid coming down the side, and her beautiful blue dress. So pretty, and she's on a keychain. How fun is that? Okay, don't make her dizzy. Now I'm gonna stack them on top of each other. I'll start by putting Gil on top of Mr. Grouper. Now Molly can go on top of Gil. Now we'll put Bubble Puppy on top of Molly. Whoa, look at this tall stack of Bubble Guppies. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Bubble Guppies. This one's small, medium, large, and extra large. Bubble Guppy goes inside of Molly. Molly goes inside of Gil. Gil goes inside of Mr. Grouper. Well, that's it for this video. These stacking Bubble Guppy cups were so fun. Do you remember which of our stacking cups that our Molly Squirter came out of? If you know, leave your answer in the comment section. And if you'd like to see more stacking cups, be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time.